I'm finally coming for some Ramadan shopping. It's almost the second week I think of Ramadan and I still haven't done any proper shopping. I just done once like the Moroccan harira. So I will have the possibility to do it today again. And to be honest, I'm still struggling here in Pakistan to find my food habits that I was having in France because we were having like so much things available. And oh my god, sorry, I didn't know it's working. Funny. So I was like still struggling to have a possibility of eating as I used to eat. My food is quite basic, but I like also different flavors. I like having options, and I love also being able to eat healthy food most of the time. And this is for me was the main problem of moving to Pakistan because I love desi food, but it's very oily, has a lot of spices, and my stomach, and it doesn't go with my lifestyle actually. So now I will eat desi food maybe once a week, not more. And now in Ramadan, I'm just trying to keep up with what I'm used to eat. So today we'll have to do some shopping. We are at Green Valley. You can see it here. So we are at Green Valley, and I hope that I find some options of ingredients that I would love to use and be able to use it for at least the next few days that I'm here in Lahore. I'll bring you with me. So we need to buy some dates, definitely. Even like we are used to the Algerian. My husband loves Algerian dates. But we can do it with what we have. I feel it's so tiring to have to adapt everything. It's so much. You need to adapt to the food, to the work, to the building team, to so many things. So sometimes it gets really exhausting. For information, Pakistani loves to eat this during Ramadan. It's like all this stuff. So yeah. So this is pakoras. So it's like vegetables made in a dough, let's say, and fried. This is samosas. They have chickpeas, potato and stuff, and this is jalebi. So all fried and healthy stuff that I really cannot eat, and I cannot deal with it like at all. It's impossible for me to eat this. I can maybe eat it once a month. But Pakistani, if they don't have this on their table, for them there is no Ramadan, no iftar. I'll be doing a fried things today. I'll be doing some spring rolls, but fried things for me will be like once a month or once every 2 weeks in Ramadan. That's it. This is actually my favorite dessert. I mean, kheer, I love it, of course. But my favorite is ras malai. It has a lot of milk. Also, Pakistani do consume a lot of milk by default, but in Ramadan, I think they consume even more. So my plan in making spring rolls is actually a big failure because they don't have the rice paper. I don't know how we call it in English, but it's something that we use to be able to do the spring rolls. So there is no use to buy anything for that. Because in Morocco we have something similar. It's called brewats. I'm probably gonna show it to you when later on the episode when I will be in Morocco. But now there is no point actually to buy stuff in here. Most of the things that I would love to eat and enjoy, they are not existing. And or they are like so much expensive because they are imported and sometimes it's not even the right quality. So I guess we'll do some Mexican stuff tonight then. No spring rolls. So I finally come to some groceries for Ramadan here in Pakistan. This is my second Ramadan, so I spent almost 2 weeks of Ramadan last year. But I think last year was my first year, so I was invited all the time. So I think I have never cooked. Even I love cooking. But this year, like I'm gonna spend at least a good week of Ramadan here in Lahore, in our house. So and there is so many things that I would love to just eat and enjoy. So I would love to have the experience of being in Pakistan but still eat things that I enjoy because I'm still struggling to be honest with the food here in Pakistan. It's not very healthy. I love desi food but it has a lot of fat, a lot of spices. my stomach doesn't really bear with it, and I cannot eat it every day. Of course, I eat it maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. I learned it the hard way because I was starting falling sick because of it. But now I feel much better that I started to balancing my food that I'm used to eat. Like I eat very healthy, simple food, just vegetables and some meat, or I can go vegetarian for like 2 3 weeks, no problem. So this is my kind of food that I love. So we'll see what we will got. I mean, I'm not sure that I will find all things that I need here because either it's not existent because people don't consume it here, or uh, all the Mediterranean stuff that I used to use either in Morocco or Paris. And we've been quite spoiled also being in Europe because we have a lot of choice in food and varieties, and so it makes us really feeling uncomfortable sometimes when you are like having less choices. So yeah, let's see. I have a Moroccan harira for tonight, so it's already done. I mean, half prepared. It needs a little bit the second part of the cooking. I'll probably show you a little bit in the video, and I think we're done with that. As I'm trying to adapt to the Pakistani setting, so this is the first round of iftar. So we have like the green juice. It has spinach, celery, guava, and this is a vegetable soup that has like zucchini and mushrooms and just like very light things, dates. This is a salad made with beetroot, and this is hummus with chicken. It's the first time I'm doing it here, so we'll see what we got. So this is the first round of an iftar. And today we actually cooked, it's actually not, yeah, it's a typical Moroccan thing. Not necessarily Ramadan, but my husband was like, just, you need to make something Moroccan for me. So I cook it in something like tagine that we have. It's like metti plate. And this one, it has potato and minced meat, like meatball. So we'll see. And I put some saffron in it. So it's actually, it has to be nice. This is actually a Moroccan salad. It has French beans and some caramelized onion and parsley and coriander. And that's it. Moharis with some naan. So these are the ingredients to put in the Moroccan harira. This we need to remove the skin. Be like this. I have a lot of work. So today I'm doing like Moroccan harira. It's the second time I'm doing it here in Pakistan. So we used olive oil and a lot of celery, parsley, coriander, and then on a second step I put the chickpeas. The meat is somewhere here. Yeah. Here. The meat is here. And the onion, of course. And then the lentil. Then the tomato is like on a second step. So you'll follow up with me. This is my actual favorite salad. It's a carrot salad. It's a little bit Asian style. And today I'm starting just with date salad and some chia seeds and lemon water. We are here invited to an iftar in the khema of Ritz-Carlton. Oh, look at that. It's just like majestuous. So we are here with Tetra Tech today. It's like a company that are making an iftar for their customers and partners. It seems like it's already starting. So there is some soups, shawarma. I think the food will be good. Oh my god, look at the buffet, how huge it is. I'm not sure I'll try to shoot it, but it's like international cuisine and there's these cute boots. I don't know what they are. It's pasta. And what is this? Taco station. And I think another taco station. Let's get our plates. I don't know what to start with. I probably start with the soup and the salad, that's it. We'll see. We are in day 2 Everyone told me that Riyadh is a city that never sleeps, especially in Ramadan. I came to see it by myself. I actually tried to resist sleeping tonight. So I came to this word boulevard. Like they recreate small piece of different part of the world. But to be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed. I've been to the old countries almost and I feel like so boring. Maybe for kids it's nice, but for traveling adults I feel it's I'm just walking and trying to make sense to all of this. Just showing you some of the vibes here in Ramadan in Riyadh. They even created the Eiffel Tower. So funny. I don't know what it is. And this is Place Vendôme. Created kind of a small Disneyland. Quite ridiculous, to be honest. Look at Riyadh at 12, a Friday in Ramadan. It's empty. Hello, Morocco. Just arrived yesterday. It's gonna be the third country we're gonna show the Ramadan. I wouldn't believe that this Ramadan I just like crossed 4 countries. I couldn't choose Bangkok, but Morocco I can show you some of it later. This is kind of a popular area that I just stopped by to shoot some of the vibes. This is the main thing that are consumed in Morocco. These are like kind of like Moroccan crepes and kind of Moroccan pratas made. Looks a little bit like the samosas, but they have a little bit different inside and also the outside dough. This one like jalebi. So have a lot of similarities. It's called shibakia. So it's lighter than the jalebi, and for me it's much better taste. Jalebi I cannot eat it, and this is like small breads that you can stuff with different things. And everyone is going crazy about the vegetables. And this one is the fish market. It's also something that Moroccans really do consume a lot. These are almost like it's existing in Pakistan. Spices, of course, and meat. Just like have an idea of. So I guess it's like in Pakistan, people are definitely going crazy about food in Ramadan. They consume much more than what they are consuming on, I think, normal basis. And now it's like 3 hours before the timing of iftar. And I'll be preparing some stuff today. I showed you some of it. My mom is definitely doing the Moroccan soup, which is the harira, and I'll be doing probably one sweet thing and one salty dish. Actually, I like in Morocco eat like small stuffs, so you have like small things, diversified. Something with vegetables, something with meat, chicken, with seafood. So we love these small portions. We don't do big meals. So I'll show you the table later. So I'll have to buy some stuff first. This is all the milk product that we have. In Morocco, we have much more and bigger choice. It's almost like Europe. This is all the butter, creams, and cheese. And I'm actually looking for something to make my sweet stuff. It's like for the dessert. I didn't find one ingredient. And this is the cheese counter. Look at this beautiful cheese. So today we are at my parents' house and it's kind of Moroccan iftar. It's like a mix of different things. As I said, it's like always we eat kind of simple stuff. We love this small thing. This has like liver in it. Fruit is something that we integrate, my sister and I, to the iftar. Normally it's not part of the Moroccan iftar. I mean, my parents doesn't agree with much. And this is kind of a gratin. I don't know how we call it in English, but it has potato and minced meat. And this is a dish. It's like an oriental dish that my sister has done. It has minced meat, tomato, onion, and tahini. And selou is something that we eat. It's like the different version of energy balls. So it has a lot of dry fruits like sesame, almond, some kind of wheat, flour, and cinnamon and so it's like something that you can eat and you can just like be good for the whole day. We eat it much more in sehri personally, but people do it also at iftari. It's like really gives the energy and a lot of nutriments for the whole day after fasting. And of course there is no iftari without Moroccan tea. That's it. Today I'll bring you to one of my favorite places, to be honest, in Casablanca. It's like a bakery and boulangerie, and they have the best food ever for Ramadan, and also the sweet, the salty stuff. So I'll show you. Follow me. So here is it. It's called Amout, and I'll just show you inside. It's so yummy. Now it's like 1 p.m. and normally it's still not that full, but yet it's quite full. So there is all this yummy stuff. This is like mostly like mini sandwiches and small salty stuff, mini quiche. So everything is like so. As I told you, like in Morocco, we love small stuff. We don't do big things. It's nicer, it's more elegant, and it also makes the presentation, and it makes you also not eat too much. So you just eat a little bit of different stuff. These are pastillas, so it's one of the most traditional Moroccan stuff. This one is the sweet version with chicken and almonds, and this one is the salty version with fish and seafood. And then there is this sweet part. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a little bit of it. I didn't buy anything because with my diet it doesn't really go along, because I don't eat much of wheat flour. I don't eat much of gluten and stuff. So I'll eat time to time, but it's not my diet. But yes, yet it's really yummy, and it's something that we really love and enjoy here, just to show you the vibe of Ramadan in Morocco and spending that spiritual time, that for me much more important than just food or whatever. Even I miss my mom's food, but for me Tarawih is like the spiritual time that I want to have along in my country. So yeah, so that's, I feel a little bit the difference between Morocco and Pakistan. And people here do fast. I mean, everyone is fasting, even the non-religious people. Actually, the beach is my favorite place. Look how beautiful. It's like 11 a.m. this morning. I've been to my yoga studio and just enjoyed some deep relaxation session. It's very empty, and it's like Wednesday, so it's not the weekend either. So this is the vibe in Casablanca. You can see the... Good morning. We'll be finishing up the Moroccan chapter of Ramadan, as the last 10 days are here now, so I prefer to focus more on the last miles, let's say, of soul and also body cleansing. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed these vlogs between the 3 different countries that I've spent Ramadan this year in, and do subscribe, so it will encourage us to make better content, more content, and also have the possibility of what you like, what you want most to see in this channel. So yeah, sharing life and business and technology, that's the fun part. Enjoy and see you soon.